What are you working on?
Putting a switch node for the front.
Does it have a custom bracket?
Actually, yes it does, as you see, custom bracket. Oh yeah, look, matches the curvature of your switch node. This is actually nice because we can just put our power and ground at the battery, and it's ran with 2 CAN wires, communication wires, back to the code 3. Not this wire, this little green wire has a trick, but these wires go back to the code 3 box, and we can control 16 different outputs, all different separate flash patterns, different timing, whatever we want to do. And that saves us from running 16 different wires up to the front. So this light can be controlled independently, all colors, same as this, and then this can be controlled independently. So it gives us a lot of flexibility, and also the F150 symbols are tied in. Flood or a right flood, I'm able to say, okay, I want to take the driver's 45-degree white, which is right here, and I want to take the let's see where it is here, driver's fender white, which is the yellow black. I can hit those 2 wires, and it puts on the 45 and then the side emblem. And that'll also work whenever we put the cap on here. Every light has its own individual separate colors and separate wires, so we can control every flash pattern on here right through the Z3 matrix. Have a wonderful day. I know I will have a wonderful day working at Blackout 911.
Hey John, I am wiring up right now pretty much the rear of the vehicle. I just did the bumper. We got 4 lights on the bumper, so we got some red ambers going, a white going, and a solid amber. And now I'm going to be wiring up the running board lights on each side. So we'll have a red pattern going, and we will also be having a flood, which is a little harder to see at the moment with all the lights on, but so they can do left and right flood the vehicle. So fun stuff. So I can have the whites on their own, even though they don't do anything.
Yeah, the white wire will not activate unless the red wire is activated as well.
So they're going to have to be on their own anyway.
Yeah. So that's like whenever I hit it for the driver's door, I have to make sure I tag that red wire and that white wire. Sorry, I almost threw a razor blade at you.
Okay.
Look how unsafe that was too.
I know.
That was very unsafe.
So, but that's all we need is because those are just doing the red flash pattern, because there's already a pattern in them.
Yeah, there's already a pattern in them. We're not gonna change those.
Red on one, the other side red on one, white on one, the other side white on one.
Yep. Okay. Yeah, because we can't do a pattern in those because there's 3 separate lights within that one light.
Yeah.
And I can't control those 3 pods independently. Okay. Oh yeah, you want air? Hold on. There we go. They wanted a keypad. Most people wonder why. Why would you want a keypad? People remember in the Fords back in the day, they had them above here, they had them up in here. That is no longer a Ford option in these vehicles. Boo, Ford. You lost out on that one. But we came through with a keypad that also has a remote start system with it. We can lock our doors off of any one of these remotes. Security light comes on, doors are locked. If they want to unlock them, we come up and we press on the windshield and your doors are unlocked. 2 fobs, both are 3,000 feet capable, they say. If you're in a building, it cuts it down. They have lock, unlock, and remote start. It will show you remote start. It'll let you know it started. Gives them a little bit of time to warm up, whatever they need to do, so they can actually either unlock off the keypad or any one of the remotes. Unlock the vehicle, turn the key to drive, and away they go. And at the end of the day, if they don't want to use the remotes, they can just come up, press and hold that for 2.5 seconds, and it locks the doors.
So we're just making some connections for this will be for the passenger running board lights. So I'll have a red flash pattern already set on them. So we'll have a trigger on one of these, and then the other one is a solid white. So then whenever they want to do a scene, like left or right scene, the running board will be nice and bright for them. Well, people are going to say that my crimping skills aren't right.
They'll never say that.
They always say something.
He's crimping with his left hand instead of his right hand.